Alright, this is WWJ from Maui. We're doing some whipping here. Oh, careful. We're doing some whipping here. Poof! Oh, yes. Oh, you can see it. It's about to pop one though. It's nice water in here, like, whoo, bro. Man, it's a big water here, like, woo. Something big, man. This was something big. Woo, 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 woo. See the popper? Man, we're about to hit something guaranteed here. Like, whoa, bro. Poof, oh, bro. Made for a popper in here, man. Made for a popper. We're talking about 80 yards. Looking for a popper with a crank and pop in Maui here. We're gonna catch one in here. This is two. Woo. Looking for the milu. So we're looking for the milu. Two. Oh, a lot of OPEs, man. This is three. Three. We're looking for a popper. So we're looking for a popper. We're looking for a popper. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Ram. Boop. Three. Four. Careful. This way, Papa, go. Going down there, we're going up. We're going up with it. Yeah, careful. You can stay away from the water. Oh man, like rough water here, like woo-wee. Three. Made for something big, man. Oh. Looking for something big. So we're looking for something big. Yeah, I don't know, nice water though. Looking for something coming out of there, pop it. Woo-woo. Woo-woo. This is four. Oh. Four. Five. Whoa. 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 Look at all this white water, man. Woo. There's five here. Five. We're popping one. Looking for a popper. We're looking for a popper. Five here. Woo-wee. Six. Whoa. Pop.